Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to set out of office in your Microsoft Teams on your phones. Really easy and simple to do. All you have to do is head over to the Teams application, open that up. Once you're on the application, you want to go to the top left corner where you see the three lines, click on the three lines, and then you see an option under your status to set a status message. Click on that. And then here you just want to put I am out of office. And then under that where it says show when people message me, you want to click that. So if someone messaged you wanting to get in touch with you when you're out of office, this will just give you a notification to let you know that they want to get in touch with you when you get back. And then under that setting, you see an option for clear after. So this just means how long you want the status to stay on here for. If you have a time limit, you can go ahead and set one here, a custom one as well. Or if you want no time limit and you want to remove it yourself, you can click on never. And then once you're done deciding what you want to put here, you can just click on done and it will save it to your feed so your coworkers and everyone can see it. I hope I was able to help you guys out and showing you how to set out of office in Microsoft Teams. If this was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.